knowledge of too many specific programs that do this.
Yeah, we're developing one. We're developing a program where we go to schools and basically give them the ABCs of emotions. But as part of that, we run skits with bullying, showing bullying and the various degrees of bullying, be it verbal or physical, and looking at that from an empathetic stance where you see the bully and you see the actions of the bully, but you use like an empathetic lens to sort of see underneath those actions as to what the feelings behind those actions might be, so that the onlookers or the friends or the helpers around the situation can see those motivations and then come up with empathy for both the victim and the bully, so that you can then approach the bully and say, whoa, this is not okay, but it seems like you're having some trouble. Can I help you with that? What's going on? We see that unless you get to the feelings behind any kind of violence, then it's really just going to pop up in another form somewhere else or with someone else. So we're working on that. We know about that.
Great. Well, thank you. And any of you guys who are watching, if you have suggestions to answer this question, what are organizations that are doing work on verbal or physical violence, please feel free to post them on the event page.